Alright, so today I'm gonna do this headlight and sight turn signal replacement. They went out. I don't know how, but this mug keeps falling off. It's broke, but I ain't finna buy another one. Put that mug on there with some glue. I would have showed y'all how it came off, but it already had went off. Shit, I'ma just went to the junkyard, got some bulbs. Let me see if these mugs work real quick, cause alright, so I put them in. Let me see if they work. If they don't, twist off. Ooh, okay, they do. This one works. Oh, this one's a little iffy. That bulb worked, but this one's a little iffy. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. I mean, let me try to. I don't even think that one does anything. Let me see. Because that one's just for this right there. And I don't think that does anything. Let me see. Look on the other side. Yeah, that don't even do anything. Yeah, I don't know what that's for. Yeah, so we good on that. I don't even need that. But yeah, I'm gonna just take that out and put it in the bumper, because I do got a light that's out in the bumper. And one of them gonna work. Oh yeah, I also gotta change that front headlight, because that's out too. So let me pull this cover back. Pull this cover off. You ain't even got to take this whole thing out for that. Hold on, let me turn this car off. Oh, you can service it. You can fix it without it. You just gotta, that little thing right there, you just gotta move it or like push it. I don't know. Y'all know what I mean. I wonder which one it is though. Let me see. Turn these lights on and find out. Shit. Which one is it that's actually out? Hold on. Turn these brights on and I'm. Okay, so it's that. Okay, cool. All right. So it's this one that's out. Push that mug to the side. Push it to the. Let me show you how I did that. So right there, I pushed it. Hold on. See how it's moving? Just pushed it like that. And then it comes out after you do that. Yeah. Let me get this out and I'll be right. So I got it out. That mug is broken up in there, you can see. Had to push the clips off with a screwdriver, but it all came through. Gonna put this in there. See that clip right there? I just snap it on, easy. Put that on, I'll be right back. So I snap that mug on there, it works. I turn the light on. So you gotta twist it back up in that hole. Nothing hard. And just throw it up in there to give it a twist. Be right. All right, so I got that thing back up in there. Just like that, everything worked. I already turned it on. For this, you're gonna do the same thing basically, but just put that up in there in the hole, squeeze it up in there. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. All right, so now for this bumper light, these side bumper, ooh, this car's dirty. These side bumper lights, those definitely go out. Gotta get under here, and they're right. Well, I already took it out, but that's where it goes right there. Let me put that up in there. I don't know if y'all can see, but let me see if it worked real quick. That ain't working. Where's my other one? It ain't lighting up for me. See? I just had another one. But that's basically what you do. Put that up in there, twist it back. Oh, there it is. Let me see if this worked. But yeah, that's basically all you do, man. And that's how you do both of them lights right there.